Hey people, so this is the first time ever my 10-day-old puppies are going to experience grass. So Ayush here. So I wanted it's a special moment for them really. Theo, you also can experience grass. Come on. Come on, daddy. Oh, this one is also here. Go, Ray Hero. Jump. Oh, I'm missing out on this moment. See.
Hey, Tucky.
Okay, Tucky.
Your baby.
Okay.
Not your
Oh,
baby.
these are experiencing grass. How cool is this?
This guys are going over here.
Oh, Ayush, be without your chappals, beta. It will make you grow tall. Look at you. But I'm just so... Hi, you're like experiencing grass, Shona. Experiencing grass. This is so cool. I'll collect some grass and I'll put it in. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.